Oh, hi. Welcome to 5525 Ashbourne Road. I'm Vivi Parker with the Sure Sales Group over at Berkshire Hathaway, and this is my newest listing, located in the heart of the Halethorpe Heights neighborhood, just steps from downtown Arbutus. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom colonial 1,500 square foot home is perfect for anyone working in the county or the city, as we're in close proximity to all major commuter routes, as well right next door to UMBC and CCBC. As you pull up in your private drive, you'll notice the oversized front porch with new vinyl railings, perfect for enjoying a quiet cup of coffee in the morning or sipping on a cocktail, watching the sun go down after a long day. As you move throughout the house, we have historical touches like curved entryways, as well as wood grain windows that complement the original hardwood floors. Some of the recent upgrades are new LVP flooring in the front entry hallway, new LVP flooring and countertops in the kitchen, a brand new tub and plumbing in the upstairs bathroom, as well as a full bathroom addition downstairs in the fully finished basement. This home is a perfect blend between historical charm and modern amenities. So let's go take a look. So, if you're looking for a light-filled, single-family home with old town charm, look no further. You found it. Welcome home.